Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, here I'm going to take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. And to this oil, here I'm going to add 4 cloves, 3 green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. After adding all of these ingredients, I'm then going to let this fry for about a minute. After a minute, here I'm then going to add 2 finely chopped onions. After adding the onions, I'm then going to let this fry for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After that, here I'm going to fry this for another 1 minute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes. After 1 minute, here I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm then going to fry this for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, here I'm going to add half kilo of boneless beef, which are fresh cooked, for 5 whistles. After adding the beef, I'm then going to mix this really well with the rest of the ingredients. After mixing this well, I'm then going to let this fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of freshly ground pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm then going to mix this and let this cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, here you can add 3 glasses of water. And after adding the water, you can then mix all of this really well. After that, you can then cover this with a lid and let it cook for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, you can then remove the lid and add a bunch of coriander leaves to the dish. After adding the coriander leaves, you can then mix this really well, and then your dish is ready to be served. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.